Hey everyone, I am Yes. Welcome back to the day 15 of the 30-day coding challenge in Java programming. We have the first array based question. Write a program in Java to find the union of the two sorted arrays. For example, this is the array 1 and this is the array 2. The union of array 1 and 2 is this. Here we have to create the class that name is findUnion, and here we use the two index variable that is I and j. Initial value is I equal to 0 and j equal to 0. This is the code. Let's run this program. This is the output. Let's we take another example. Again in this program, we take the two array list, that is array 1 and array 2, and find the intersection of the array 1 and array 2. This is the code. Here is the array list. Simply run this program. Intersection is 1 and 4. We move to another program. Write a program in Java to find the reverse of the given array list. This is the code. Here is the array list. Run this program. Reverse the arrays 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. We take another example. In this program, we find the minimum array elements and the maximum array elements in this the given array list. In this program, we find the minimum array elements and the maximum array elements in the given array list. This is the code. Here is the array list. Let's say we run this program. Minimum elements of array is 1 and the maximum elements of array is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the output. That's all for today. Thank you.